Thank you for joining me for an introduction to Dropbox. Dropbox is a free cloud storage app in which you can save photos, documents, and other projects. Files in Dropbox can be accessed from any internet-connected computer or tablet. To get started, open your Dropbox app on your iPad. If you don't have a Dropbox account, tap the link that says Create Account. You'll enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. I would advise you to write this information down so that you can get into Dropbox from some other computer if you need to do that in the future. Once you've logged into Dropbox on your iPad, your account will stay logged in until you tell it to log out. Your new Dropbox system will open. You probably do not want to tap Enable to save all your camera roll photos to Dropbox. If you do, all your photos automatically save, and that consumes a lot of your free storage space. So I would say, tap Cancel. Your new Dropbox account will have only one file in it, this Getting Started PDF. If you touch on the PDF on this side, it opens in the reading pane. Notice the little Dropbox icon at the bottom. That tells you you're open to the Dropbox file cabinet. If you click the photo icon at the bottom of the screen, it will always ask you if you want to enable the camera upload. I encourage you to manage your photos in the regular Dropbox folders instead. To create a photo folder, be sure you're in the Dropbox screen. Go up to the three dots at the top of the page and find Create Folder. Create a folder, type its name, click Create. You now have an open but empty photo folder. While the photo folder is open, click the white dots at the top of the page and click Upload. You will choose the camera roll and click the little arrow at the right that opens the camera roll. My camera roll opens and I see all my photos with little black check marks next to them. I tap the photos I'd like to upload and the check mark turns blue. A blue check mark indicates that the photo is selected for upload. Next, I have to check the upload location. I see that I'm going to upload to Photos, which is the correct folder, so I click the Upload button. Now I see that my photos are uploading. If I want to get back to the main Dropbox file folder page, I click this back arrow. I'm back on the main Dropbox file cabinet page. I know I'm going to need some more folders so that I can keep my files organized. I click on the three dots, choose Create a Folder, type the name of the folder, and click Create. I've left Dropbox now and I'm working in the app called Pages. I've completed an assignment for English and I'm ready to save it to Dropbox. First I click the little wrench in the corner and I choose Share and Print. In the next menu, I choose Open in another app. I get another menu and I have to choose the format that I want. Most often, I'll choose Word, but sometimes Pages or PDF. After the paper converts, I have to choose an app. I tap Open in Dropbox. Next, I see that my document is here and it's ready to be saved, but when I look at the destination folder, it just says Dropbox. If I were to click Save now, the document would save, but it would not be in a folder. So I tap the word Dropbox in the destination, and then all my folders show up. This is an English assignment, so I tap the English Papers folder, and once that is selected, I click Choose. The destination folder is correct. It says English Papers, so I click Save. The paper is now in my English Papers folder. When a folder is open, I tap the document on the left side and it opens in the reading pane on the right. If I want to get back to the main file cabinet screen, I click the back arrow. Anytime a folder is open in Dropbox, you have lots of sharing options. Be careful which ones you choose. If I click this share arrow, I'm sharing every picture in the whole folder. Whereas if I click this share arrow, I'm sharing the open picture only. I have chosen to share this photo only. I can email it, text it, Facebook message it, post it to Facebook, tweet it, or copy link to clipboard. The ability to copy a link to clipboard is particularly helpful when dealing with large files such as movies. A movie is often too large to be emailed. However, you can save your movie in Dropbox, copy the link to the clipboard, then press and hold to paste the link. You can share your movie by copying the link and sending it to whomever. You can also use this link to generate a QR code. These are some of the other tools available in Dropbox. First, there's a star. If you star something, it becomes a favorite, and your favorites are available on your iPad, even if your iPad is not connected to the internet. Here's your trash can, which deletes a file. Here's your open in, which can save to photo roll, copy to clipboard, or print. Down here you have the cog. The cog tells which email address Dropbox is using, and it allows you to disconnect your Dropbox account from your iPad. If you disconnect your account from the iPad, your files are still saved in the cloud. However, you need to remember your email address and password to open Dropbox again and get those files back. The three dots give you the ability to open an edit screen. An edit screen shows you all the files in a particular folder. You can click a blue check mark next to files and then either delete the files or move the files. Now we're leaving the iPad and the Dropbox on the iPad and moving to a PC. In addition to keeping your files on your iPad, Dropbox also makes your files available on any internet-connected computer. It is not necessary to install the Dropbox app on your computer. Just use the web-based program. Go to www.dropbox.com. Type in your username, type in your password, and click Sign In. On the PC, you'll see the files and folders that you created in your Dropbox on your iPad. Here's English papers, pictures, religion assignments. These are all my photos. I can upload files on a PC into Dropbox by clicking the Upload button. I get a Choose Files menu. I find and highlight a file that I want to upload, and I click Open. The file uploads, and I click Done, or you can add more files. I noticed that the file I just uploaded ended up outside a folder. To put it into its correct folder, I highlight the assignment, and I go to the More menu and choose Move. I highlight the English Papers folder and click Move. My file is now in the correct folder. I could have done that more efficiently by opening the folder first, then selecting and uploading the file. Tools in Dropbox on a PC are similar to what you would have on an iPad. Here's Upload, New Folder, Share Folder, Share Link. This trash can shows you deleted files. To share a file, highlight the file, go to your clipboard, copy the link, paste the link into an email. To delete a file, highlight the file. Some tools will appear immediately above the highlighted file. Find your delete tool there. When you're finished with Dropbox on a PC, it's important to sign out. Find your name, go down the pull-down menu to sign out, and click Sign Out. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial on Dropbox.